welcome back to my channel. So today I created a very dark look, but I did get to dabble with the Naked 2 palette. This is sort of the original MVP of palettes. It's the first palette I have ever purchased. Like I said, things got a little bit dark, but this is a cool tone look on the eyes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So I've already primed my face. I used the Temp 2 Base Mattifying Smooth and Matte Primer. You've seen me use this a million times, so I didn't show it on camera. I am going to go in and put some foundation on. Today I'm going to use the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. And I'm just going to blend that with a dampened beauty blender. To conceal, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light. To set the concealer, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. Then to bronze, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the light color. For blush, I'm going in with the Lancome blush in Sheer Amorose. Alright, I just threw my brows on quickly off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Soft Brown. They look a little bit janky today. That's life. They can't always be perfect. They're sisters, not twins. I did set them using some Rave hairspray and a spoolie. And I wiped this concealer off of my lips because I had concealer lips. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. And we're gonna jump to the eyes, which y'all know is my favorite part. Today I'm gonna be using the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay. I'm trying to use some oldies the last couple of days, so I'm gonna be using this. I may have to tap into some other palettes for some other colors because there's not a lot of matte shades in this palette, but we'll see what we can do. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into the color Tease and use that as a transition color. Then I'm going to go into the color Blackout. And I'm going to go in with a denser smudge brush or crease brush, whatever you want to call it. Looking a little bit patchy, so I'm going to go back into that color Tease, and I'm just going to try to blend everything together. I'm then going to go in and I'm going to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue, and I'm going to carve out where I'm going to put the color Verve. I'm going to do a little bit of a cut crease type look with this, or attempt to anyway. And using another flat concealer brush, I'm going to go into that color and place it on the eye. lie, I hate the way this black looks. It is so patchy. I need to fix this. So to fix this, I feel like I need to warm it up just a hair. So I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm gonna tap into this color Parallel, which is a really, really nice brown color. With the same dense crease brush that I used for the black, I'm gonna put a hair onto the outer V. Okay, it already looks a little bit better. So I'm gonna go back in then to the Naked palette, and I'm going to take that color Tease, which is the transition shade that we used, and I'm gonna just smoke everything out a little bit more, blend everything together, make everything look a little bit more unison. All right, I'm gonna go into the color Foxy, which is an ivory color. And I'm going to just use the brush that comes in it, the top part, the fluffy crease part of the brush, and I'm going to put that up by the upper brow bone. I'm really using this color to sort of clean up the edges. Then using the other side of the brush, I'm gonna go into the color Booty Call, which is my favorite color of the entire palette. It's almost non-existent at this point. I'm gonna use that to highlight the inner corner and highlight the brow bone. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the color Tease, that transition shade, and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that blackout shade and apply that to the very outer part of my lower lash line. So I do feel like this look needs a little bit of something, so I'm gonna throw in some light lavender. This is the Marc Jacobs Matte Gel Eye Crayon, and this is the color Mist Me. So it's like a really nice light lavender color. It does not match my outfit at all, and that's fine. I'm gonna throw that into the waterline to add a little something. It just feels like this look needs something. I'm going to tightline as well, and I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner. And I'm going to also blend the waterline out on the bottom a little bit more. I am going to put a little bit of eyeliner on. Today I'm going to use, this is the Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, waterproof in Trooper Black. I'm going to just line the upper part of my eyes, and then I'm going to put falsies on. So I popped on some lashes. Today I used the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. The struggle was real. I feel like the struggle has been real this entire video. So I did that. I'm gonna throw on some mascara on the bottom lashes. Today I'm using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Eyes are done, we are going to go in and highlight. Today I'm going to be using the Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer by The Balm. I just have a mini version of this from my Ipsy bag. I'm going to use that to highlight. Going in with the Luxie tapered highlighting brush. Then to finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with some lips. Today I'm gonna be using the Cookie Professional Kissable Liquid Lipsticks, and this is the Mad About Mauve color. To finish everything and set everything down, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. So that completes this look. Things got pretty dark pretty quickly, and the struggle was a little bit real, but I feel like that's usual in my videos. Like I said before, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time with another new look. Bye guys!